Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. A lot of people ask me how to translate automatically messages from WhatsApp. I have a WhatsApp group. Most of the times I communicate by Spanish and I have to translate all the messages from Spanish to English. I will show you very quick, so hope you will watch to the end of the videos. Okay, first of all, you need to install this extension. I will leave the link of this extension in the description of the videos. This extension is completely free. You don't need any charge to use the extension. After you install it, you can see the extension icon here. You can click the icon right here. It will run you to WhatsApp website. In WhatsApp website, you need to navigate to the group that you need to translate automatically. I will go to this group. You can see right here the message is Spanish. You can see at the top right corner, we have a translation icon here. For this chat, you need to choose the input language. Second one is you need to choose the language that you want to translate. I choose Spanish here, and the language you need to translate is English right here. You need to enable this option if you want to translate all the new messages automatically. Now you can close it. Every time this group have new messages from Spanish, it will automatically translate it to English, or you can translate by yourself by click the translate option right here. Like I want to click right now. You can see here this message come from Spanish and the extension translated to English. It's very fast and convenient for me to use the extension. Okay, that's all my videos. This is the easiest way for me to automatically translate WhatsApp messages for completely free. If you like my videos, please give me a like and a subscribe. Drop a comment below if you want to ask me anything, and I will see you in my next videos.